Yeah. Welcome. I'm Raffle FX. This is keeping it up with Raffle FX. So yeah, this video is solely just to analyze the chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is the reason why I'm doing this is my prediction, and I think I fairly have a very good spot on prediction because I trade forex, right? Now, and this is, well, don't take me as a financial advisor or whatever, but just have an open mind. If I'm correct, fine. If I'm not correct, well, you don't have anything to lose because I'm just giving you my own view. Okay. Now this is a pair called Bitcoin, BTC. This is the monthly time frame. Okay. Each of these candles here you see is a one month movement. Okay. Now, first time Bitcoin started very low, very low, isn't it? Started very low. Now it has hit a high of 68 or 69,000 before it started dropping, and where it is right now, we are around this 17,000 level, isn't it? Now there's a very strong support. Is the 10,000, 13,000 price region where I put this two red lines here. Okay. Now, and there's another line here of I think this is 5,000. It is $5,000. Now, uh, my prediction is, I if this price here, which as of today is about the here, if it breaks this 13,000 mark, okay, because for price to bull up, right? I will show you something in that time frame, which I know we are going up. We are going really very high. But first of all, and this cloud here, this green cloud here, is already showing that on the monthly time frame, there's a bull run about to move. But first of all, it has broken this black EMA. This black EMA is 50 EMA. So definitely it's going to go down to bounce up. Before the thing goes up, it must hit here. So if it hits here one, so between today is January, so throughout this month, I see the price hitting 13,000. If it breaks 13,000, it will slightly go up again. Then it will use February to try to hit 10,000. Okay. And one of the rules of price action is it will test that same level, this level here, three times before it goes up. Okay. Now, if it breaks that 10,000, right, then it has the only level to really hit is this level here, 5,000 level. Now, if it breaks here, there's going to be something we call blood in the waters. For those who know about pattern strategy, and by Steve Marot, there's going to be a blood in the water. That is last kiss. There's going to be a very strong, and these moves here, these moves are going to be they're going to use news action like PMI, CPI, FOMC and NFP. Those very massive moves to break this level here. Okay, now let's go to a smaller uh, time frame, weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you see this, right? You see this. This is a bear cloud. Now there's something I want to take notice of. You see this place here? There's a gap, isn't it? Price and gap. I can't tell you why prices happen in gap, but they mostly happen during the weekends, Friday to opening of market on Sunday. Now these gaps need to be filled, so that's our saving grace. But before, if it goes and fail, my prayer is I don't want this on a weekly time frame to go up, try to go and fill this. If it does that, it's coming down again, and my God, it is going to be disastrous. But at this moment right now, I don't see that happening. Now, uh, also for Ethereum, I get to me like the weekly bias. The weekly bias is a bear pressure. I'm using this Ekumoko cloud to represent that. Are you getting me? So to show it more likely, right? There's this purple is where the current price is today, today's price. Okay, and if it breaks, but this is a monthly time frame, so the monthly move is really going to. So what I wouldn't want to just saying things. What I predict, the bull market will start sometime in March. Okay, but one thing I'm seeing is that if by January, end of January 2023, it hasn't broken the 13,000, it will try to do that in February. If it has not, I'm telling you, in March we're going up. We're going up to this point here. This is the level, the resistance level where if it breaks above this, one BTC will be the next level it's going is 150,000 to 200,000. So for core miners, let's look at ETC. That is Ethereum. Ethereum also has the same structure like Bitcoin. Okay, it almost has the same structure like Bitcoin. For Ethereum, right? Look at this, the weekly. It has gaps too. So it's and that the reason why I'm looking at Ethereum and Bitcoin is because of the core that we're mining, because they're related. Because core is actually half of BTC and half of Ethereum. We all know that. So and like I said, it's the last level here is if it breaks, it's going to 720 here, as you see here. For the first level, it needs to break between January is breaking this 1,000 mark. If it breaks that in February, if it breaks 900 mark, it's going to 700. If it goes to 700, we're going up. We're going very, very high, right? It hasn't. I don't think the last time one Ethereum was like 4,000 or almost $5,000. So Ethereum, right, within the next before the end of the year will be worth over $10,000, and that is where I'm telling you guys that core. I'm not a soothsayer. I don't have any inside information, but I believe core will not launch less than $5,000. I'm telling you, going by this because I feel that they would like to synchronize core Ethereum and Bitcoin price simultaneously. Okay, so like I said, we have a major support region here, right? Major support region here, and it's still a bearish momentum. We still have a sell bias here. So this is a daily time frame, So by and large, my predictions are somewhat spot on. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So before any bull market will happen in for Bitcoin or Ethereum, I'm looking at before the end of March 2023, we shall be seeing the bull, right? That is where we're going to see like W, right? It's going up like this, isn't it? So and well, let's see what really happens. But that is my prediction. That's my prediction, and I know that for this gap to be there, this gap is like actually rocket fuel for it to move up, because if it doesn't break that 13,000 and 10,000 level, it's going to cover this place and it's going up. Okay, that's for the weekly time frame, isn't it? So and we are going to see price overnight just come up to 30,000 in like 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. It come up like because it's going up to actually capture here. So the next price is that one Bitcoin we price before the end of the year will be almost 70 something thousand, and I could just see core maybe coming to half of that by the end of the year. Core will be maybe like $35,000 one core. Okay, now if you don't understand what a core is a new coin that we'll be mining. Okay, so you can check my videos here. You can check my videos here, okay, on my channel, right? And you will see more about core. Okay, So anyway, I hope you like this video. I'd like you to join my groups. We have striving groups here. We have striving groups here. Okay, I would like you to join and participate in getting updates. Okay, all right. So anyway, I hope you like this channel. Please encourage me, subscribe, like, and share. Please, I'd like you to join my group. I'll put the group the how to join core group if you haven't joined. I mean core group and core registration. Now there is a massive airdrop going on right now. I'll try to do another video to talk about that, but this video is just more about talking about chart analysis for Bitcoin. So finally, what I'm saying is by March 2023, I see the price of one Bitcoin, if it doesn't break those three price levels, because those three price levels are very,
Now,
very.
you should
So
charge your phone battery.
yeah.
Your phone battery left 30%.
Thank you. So I'll see you
Now,
guys
you
later.
should charge your phone
Bye.
battery. Your phone battery left 30%.